kuma ihinda riria cianjiriirie nituonete umithio wa sheria icio na ikoragwo cie njega tondu onawe mwenyewe ugitwarithia ngari ni wiguaga iganire ndu ngari yo ndirateng'era.
So basically we are checking speeds and we have cameras all over, all the way from Nairobi to Naivasha. There are those that are visible and there are those that are hidden. So guys are being flagged down. So we just need everyone to obey the traffic rules and specifically speed, and we are doing random drunk driving tests on the road.